Hello children, today let's learn A Tale of Two Birds from A Pack with the Sun, Class 6 English Supplementary Reader. Olev one A Tale of Two Birds, the Class 6 A Pack with the Sun, Supplementary English Reader. Amigan Zirdona, this one. A taxi, a thon thu him zo in kalosoi leanga, in shiat fiat teinan. A thontu outline Atlangpui, a mother bird and her two young ones live in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm and the young birds were separated from each other. Each found a different home. O thontu chuan sava anu apui le afate pani hi ram hnuai a hian an chenga ti chuan thlipui na tak tle in anu sava pui chu a ti hluma ti chuan afate anote pani chu apui omtak lawa chuan hun shan ve an omta a chen na tur in a shan ve an lo nei ta a ti ani ta a chu chu thonthuk kalphung tlang pui chu ani a tuna a thontu pum pui lo ngai thlang o tum kha chu savapui le anote pani hi ram hnuaya thingkung sang le buk tak mai a hian an chenga anu savapui chuan anote te chu chhun le zan zomin dua takin enkol thina amer chu van doi thlak tak mai ni kha chu thlipui le rawpui na sat tak mai run thoka trek tenen chuan an omna thingkung chu thlipui chuan a chem tlua azar tliak pakhat chuan a sawa apui chu a volum ta hlo mai ne de hlum ta hlo mai a van doi thlak tak mai chuan anote te ro chu thli khan mun shan ve a len ta a chuan pakhat chu puk bula hian miswal ral khomna puk bula note pakhat chu atla a ti chuan pakhat ve thung ero chu chulai hmun atanga hlavak lawa hindu puithiam omna hmun rishis ashram anti chulai hmun a chuan note pakhat chu atla ve thung ani ti chuan hun le ni te local liam zela savanote te po chu an lo lian ve ta a ti khat chu an ram lalpa hi ram hnuai hian ram wak turin a lokala sakhi pakhat hi a hmu ani ti chuan sakhi chu ka tumin ram hnuai pilril lampanga chun zui zela akap thei chia bok si lawa ti chuan lalpa chuan akal na chin kha lo ngai twa si lawa ram hnuai a chuan kong abota ni ti chuan akala thui tak akal hnuai hianin ram hnuai a chuanin a chau ta em a sakor tang chuan a chuk thla a puk bola thingkung pakhat hnuai hian a thu ha cholta chuti lai chuan o hian local ro man hmor ro local va to thingkung hnuai mi pakhat a thu nia I ro hlu te le sakor te an he nia ron kalvat to atlan chian main ti o kha sheta ni ta chuanin a han hui chowa thingkung a hian sava buang nal tak mai pakhat hi a lo thu ani ti chuan puk chung lampang tang po chuan thawm a hriata a ti chuan lalpa chu a sakor chungah chuangin hmanhmaw takin a tlan chheta ani ti chuan a tlan chheta zela a hnungah chuanin puithiam omna hmun pakhat hi a va thleng le ta chuta chuan a sakor kha a thlung ta a thingkung bulah chuan a thu a chawl le ta a chutia thu tha chawl lai chuan a hre le ta ashram ah hian helai hmun thianghlim ah hian kan lo lawm a che ka pu khawngei takin inchhungah hian lo lut la rawn hah chawl che puithiam a chhuak ani pawh lo thleng tep tawh ang potah te khanin tui photo awm kha lo in la hahdam takin thlumwang takin lo hah chawl rawh ti thawm hi a hria a ti chuan chu aw lo chhuahna thingkung lampang chu han hui chho a chutah chuan sava buang nalh tak mai a hma a puk buna thingkunga sava a hmuang chiah kha a han hmuwa mak ti em mai ni hi chu puk buna ka sava hmuang chiah kha ni mai ka ti lal chuan a tia sava chuan adikalawm ka pu kha ka unau pa ani kha ani chu miswal ral bula oma miswal ho om dan angin no oma tuna hi chuan ke ve thung ero hi chu helai mun thianghlim ah hian ko ma ko unau pa nen chuan biak pawh kan in bengai lo hmu pawh kan in hmangai lo ti ni chutia soilai chuan puithiam pawh chu a lo thlenga puithiam chuanin ka pu kan lo lawm a che local ro in chhungah hian lo lut la i chauh hle mel hle mai chawte hi ei dun ang hmiang a ti a ti chuan lal chuan sava pahnih a hmuh chung chang le an em zia le mak a ti zia tu kha puithiam bulah chuan a sawi mol mola puithiam chuan ni ti ro amak ngot mai kan bula omte zirte niang helai hmuna hi chuan kan saba kan bula om hi chuan kan tong dan angin a tonga midang local te helai hmuna thlamawng takin ha chawl sela ha damna hmu sela kan dua chuti anga kan lo welcome na ang chu saba po hian ni tina benga sha thin ni wangin chu tiang chu lo soi ve me a pakhat jok ero kha chu miswal ral bula oma miswal ral bula omna na chu miswal tong dan ang len om danin a om ve ni hi helai hmun chan chin le a heng saba chan chin te hi kan lo kalo shil bel le ang che lo kalo in chunga hian lu ti lai ha chawl phot te ang atita a kha thon thutlang pui chu ani a thon tu hian min zirtir tum chu kan omna hmun zirte kan thian koma zirte po niang an kan bula oma zirte in kan mi zia te kan tong kam te hi adang lam thin ani no pangte thian swalin kom chuan in swal ve mai do na an ti ang te in ti ve mai do na meza zu ru shat te in kom chuan mezia atira chuan du lo maula engti kai mo chuan in zur ve mai the ni khati ang deuh kha ni a thian fel in kom chuan in khom te ma deuh te nu le pa thu oi deuh te in kom chuan khati ang khan kan thian te om ang te khan kan lo om ve thina chuwang chuan pathian in cha le thriat na min pe ka tang hian a thalam hi thlan sham tura ani a om lo na hmun tura om te hi apoya chuwang chuan kha kan zir lai in min zir tir ni ti hriat tur ani. Let's move on to the question and answer. How did the two baby birds get separated? The answer: the two baby birds live in a tall tree with their mother. One day, a big storm blew. The tree came down. The mother bird was killed. The strong wind blew the two chicks, the two baby birds, away to the other side of the forest at a little distance from each other. Thus, they got separated from each other. Question number 2. Where did each of them find a home? Where did each of them find a home? The answer: one of the young birds came down near a cave. A gang of robbers lived there. The other bird landed outside the ashram of a rishi at a little distance. Question number 3. What did the first bird say to the king? The answer: the first bird saw the stranger, the king. He called the robber to hurry up and rob the man of his jewels and his horse. Indirectly, he asked the stranger to leave the place at once. Question number 4. What did the second bird say to him? The answer: the second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. He questioned the stranger to drink water, take rest, and make himself comfortable. He added that his brother lived in a company of robbers, so he talked like them. Number 5. How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the two birds behave? The answer: the king told the rishi about the different behavior of the two birds. The rishi explained that the first bird repeated the words of the robbers. The second bird repeated what he had always heard at the ashram. The different ways were the result of their company. Number 6. Which one of the following sum up the story best? The answer is number 2. One is known by the company one skipped. Number 6. One is known by the company of one skipped. Ole voina kan zir thei chu khati zong kha ani a zirlai no pangte poinin lo hlok pui nge ka be se boka threnem ngai tewin le kha lo zir ula zirlai na min zir tir angin kan om na hmun tur dik tak a chau om thin tur ani ti kha in no she thar le don ya